Today I have another unbagging, surprise, surprise. I'm going to be showing you a diamond painting that I ordered from AliExpress. It was shipped to me in this giant bubble thing. Tube bubble. This is the second time that I've received a painting this way. I know lots of people don't like it, but we'll take a look. If I can open it. Ooh, I can hear the air popping. Oh yeah, pop that air. Okay, so the sides are kind of squished, which is fine because it's just the side. Oh, it's gonna be a huge one, which is why I'm sitting on my floor. It is a 50 by 65. Ow. Alright, giant thing of drills. I'm scared because this is square, and when square comes in a bag like this, usually they're not super fantastical. But here is a thumbnail of what I will be unboxing. Sorry for the glare. It's a little cat with some books. Isn't he cute? I thought so. Oh gosh. Okay, there's a drill kit. It comes with 2 drill pens, one that's like a 4-placer, I think, and one that is, does it say on it? Does it say on it? No, it doesn't say on it. And one that's like an 11 placer. What would you call that? I don't know. Some bags, and then the tray, or whatever, if you want to call it a boat, and then some wax. So this is going to be a process for us. Hopefully y'all can see that. So it is a double-sided adhesive. I'm going to try and undo it the best that I can, but I'm not making any promises. It would help if it was centered, hey? Okay. It's just one giant strip of paper, so it's not cut into sections or anything, which is fine. It's just annoying. Try and do this nicely. Oh dear. I'm scared. Oh gosh, this thing is huge. I'm not going to take it completely off. Do it a little bit. That's as far as I'm going to take it off. And so we can take a look now. Put this on top here. So that is our canvas. It is, again, the black cat. A really zoomed up close-up of the black cat with the moon in the background, some books, and then at the bottom here, what is that? Let's look on the thing here. At the bottom, there's a scroll, and then there's a candle. So there's the candle, there's a scroll. And it is a really big one. Not gonna lie, kind of scares me. We'll take a closer look at the drill field. Just bring it up. Bring it up. I don't think you guys can see that. Let's see. Take a closer look at the drill field. Sorry for the glare. It looks like it is clear. Here, I'm not too sure about this area here. Like this black color. should be okay because I will be using my light pad. Nothing looks like blurry or anything. It's just the dark font on the dark background. Here is the legend, or the schematic as people like to call it. Guess I should note that there are some rivers where it was folded in shipping. I don't know if you guys can see that area here. Ooh. This area here. And then there's a bubble right there-ish. So it's kind of crappy. So I flip that over and then we'll take a look at the drills. Sorry for the noise. It does come with an inventory sheet. Here's the inventory sheet. It has the thumbnail, the contents, I believe these are the DMC numbers. So the symbol, DMC numbers, how many bags there are, how many drills there are in total. So there's 15,692, 310. So I'll be living that 310 life for a little bit. As people like to say, living that 310 life. So there's the inventory sheet. I'm scared to look at the drills, like I said. It is a square painting. Wow. There's like a trillion drills. We're not going to look at every single one of them because, that would take forever. So let's take a look at one where we can see the quality. Okay, well, look at this. And then this bag. Was this bag open? Was it supposed to be like that? 3808. 38083. Okay, so that's fine. It must have just been the way they cut it at the factory. Let's look at orange, because orange we can usually, it's easy to see if there's any bits or anything attached to it. We'll look at the 310s. It'll be hard to see, but usually the 310s are the ones that have the issues. So, I mean, the drills look okay. And I won't really know until I start doing this painting. Which I'm going to start working on this after I'm done my drills and chills. If you do want to see the unboxing for what I'm working on for drills and chills, I'll put it up in the eye there. Yeah, so those are the drills. I'm not going to go through them. There's so many. Good luck to me trying to get them back in the packaging. They're all kind of dark fallish colors. Look at all these 310s. 310, 310, 310. Oh, it's going to be a fun one. Why do I do this to myself? So this diamond painting, we can consult my logbook. This diamond painting is 50 by 65 centimeters. It's full square. It came from Ye Bright Factory on AliExpress. I ordered it on July 14th and then it arrived today, which is September 4th, 2020. So it did take a while to get here, and it cost $26.38 total. And I called it Witchy Kenzu because I do have a black cat and his name is Kenzu. And here's a bigger version of the thumbnail so you can actually see what hopefully he'll look like. I've seen people complete these diamond paintings before, like the black cat ones, and they turned out really nice. So hopefully this turns out. One thing to note that I did notice while I was unraveling this canvas is on the top right. Oop. On the top right, which is there, that's where the legend or schematic is, but there's nothing on the bottom of the painting. So it's good that it came with an inventory sheet. Ton of drills, like I said, and yeah, so that will be interesting to see. Maybe I'll do a work in progress update once I do get started on this one. If this review was helpful to you, please give my video a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. I don't really care. And make sure you subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for future unbaggings, unboxings, and until then, I'll see you guys later in my next video. Bye!